PSL Pulse Buffet is the Carling Knockout Cup final. Orlando Pirates 1, Marimo Gallants 0. Outside Ngicela igama.
Umashizo from Zirast.
Mashizo from Zirast. Northwest. Ngicela ungitshele baba wami, igame yafana khibele kanjani?
Igame yafandaga be open ngithande the way ibhakani yabe idlala ngakhona neMarumo Gallants bedlala ngakhona. Washington Nairobi ngiyamcongratulate the way badlale ngakhona igame yakhona yanamhlanje bemnandi usipanile Washington. Yeah.
So ngicela ukukubuza Orlando Pirates did create some couple of chances in the first half but they couldn't convert. How Shebile, what was the problem?
I think problem yakhona iphela the way baphasana ngakhona nje ama loose ball nje amancane nje ngabe i-final pass yakhona ihlangene ngiyakutshela beso ama 2 goals first half bezoyihlaba.
Come second half, Marimo Gallants comes out guns blazing. They seem to have a better second half than Orlando Pirates. Mawubhekile Orlando Pirates got it wrong or Marimo Gallants got it right kule second half?
Yeah, Orlando Pirates ebhayizile ngo second half ngokusitshela ukuthi baqedile ngegame yakhona kanti iMarumo Gallants from eqaleni ngabatshela ngathi undlondlo lo mfana lo simrilisile ingakabi isikhathi sokuthi ahambe eOrlando Pirates undlondlo usashisa lo mfana namanje usashisa uye just give a tough time phakathi kwendawo. Yeah.
So mfowethu, if you were given an authority to choose the man of the match for today's game bongayinika bani?
Bengizonika uMbokazi
TLB.
Yeah. Umlayezo ongifuna ukunika uTLB ukuthi mfana ngicela nje ube humble. Yeah. Uyoba ulokhunjani Old John Mabizela number 2. Ngiyakucela mfana noma bafaka umunwe elihlweni be humble mfana.
TLB
awuzolasta eAmerica uzoya eEngland mfana wami ngiyakutshela manga wasithoba nje wasiyehlisa eAmerica uzohamba fast.
Groot Malaka from Zirast. Kyaleboha mfowethu. Dankie mfowethu. Dankie.